A new day, another pack to open. Recap from yesterday. The first card we got was a nice Kawhi Leonard, serial 6243, as you can see. The price check was a low of about $23 and then a range of 24 to 30. So if I needed to sell it now, I think $23 would probably get it done. And then we have Chris, and I still don't know how to pronounce his last name, Boucher, 4972 serial number. It's pretty decent. A low of $15 and a price range of 19 to 30 in that 49.72 range. So I could probably sell it for 16. And then we had David Nwaba, 75.91, a low of $3, and that range is about $5. So I think $3, and it would probably sell eventually or fairly quickly. So the sell now prices would be about $42, which is a nice profit for a $9 pack. And I can definitely see the appeal of deciding, hey, I'm going to sell the Chris card for 16 bucks to pay for, that pack and part of another one. But, I'm still on the theory that eventually these will be a lot higher in value come Series 3 and Series 4. So long-term holding is the way that I would prefer to go here. So let's get to the new pack. Right, and this is the last of the Series 2 Release 9 sets. So here we go. $8.30. Lonzo Ball, that is a nice one. I think we hit it good with that one. Nice. All right, it's a good start. My wife is picking packs from now on because she has a lot better luck than I do. A Laker. Anthony Davis. It is. Wow. All right, this is the right pack to get. Anthony Davis, a nice low 2057. This will be nice to check out later for the values. And our last one. All right, Orlando. Dwayne Bacon, 2621. All right, well, that was a great set. Look forward to opening more. Definitely get you addicted. So see you guys tomorrow, hopefully.